Yo, yo, what's up, family? Got a little unboxing here. Hadn't ordered from ShopHQ in a while, but these are my latest two pieces. Got the Puppy Hercules and Britto bolts. So yeah, let's get it open and get into this thing. Okay, so this is a bad sign to me. These little boxes here didn't come with the typical white covering that they normally do. Seems to be a bad sign, but I'm gonna open these anyway, see how they're looking. By the way, I'm wearing a graffiti Venom that I did a video on. Watch it today. But yeah, let's open these things. Okay, so apparently I was right. There is no wrap on this other than the face, but this is the Puppy Hercules. Outstanding piece. Definitely nothing to take away from the piece itself, because it just looks amazing. But yeah, it looks like I was sent some used pieces, maybe. Well, let's see how the other one looks. Should be the hydroplated bolt Zeus. And again, no covering. So yeah, that makes me think both of these were sent to me used, but still some outstanding looking pieces. Unless I just find some scratches or anything, I might not send these back. Although I do encourage, if ShopHQ or anyone selling to you sends you some used items, I do recommend you sending them back, getting a brand new replacement. But I'm just too lazy to go through all that. But yep, here they are. Britto bolt Zeus and Puppy Hercules. Still two amazing pieces. I wish I got them sent brand new, but it'll be alright. But thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all in the next one.